I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel, day 18 of typing tutorial. Today I will give a second practice exercise on bottom row. We have to type the given paragraph that is starting from ZNBMC to comma NVCZ for at least 45 times. At the beginning, you should type slowly and later on you should increase your speed. Suppose if you done any mistake while typing any word, then you have to repeat that word itself for another 30 times. Also, you should avoid the use of backspace key. If possible, try to type the above paragraph or given paragraph without doing a single mistake. If you want the PDF link of this paragraph, I will give it in the description. You can check it in the description. That's it, that much. Thank you so much.